Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I work as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company and provide technological solutions across the world. Now this is the third video of our workflow series. In my previous two videos, I have explained you about the uh, how to take the example data and then how to build a model also, right? So we have done this, and after building the model we have seen that the expected prediction data is not accurate. So now we are going to do this training model, right? So let's have some practical here. See here in our last video what I have done here. What I have done, first of all, I have imported this torch variables. After that, we have taken some example data, right? And then we have executed this test data. We have created the plot prediction also, right? And this is how we plotted our data. Since it is given by us, so it is totally accurate. Training and testing, it is not prediction, right? After that, we have built the model, right? Building model. After that, we executed the data with the help of inference model. Look at this inference model, right? And after, with the help of this, we have extracted some prediction data. Now prediction data, see there is a too much difference between this red color dots are predicted data, train and test. Now so far we have worked only with test data, right? Now we need to train the model. So how to do this, we are going to see in this video. So first of all, let me give me 1 second. After that, look at this. We are going to train the model. And how we are going to train the model? First of all, we will create one train test model, right? So we are going to create one train model. But for that, we have to create the mean absolute error loss function also. So this is required because each time what we are going to do, we are going to run the epochs. Epochs is type of repetition, right? So with the help of that, it repetitively it runs and the loss becomes lesser and lesser. I will show you first. Initially the loss was maximum, and after that the loss becomes lesser and lesser and the model becomes more accurate, right? So let me explain you with this. Look at this, mean absolute error loss, and it makes mean absolute error loss less because we have run the epochs. This is the 100 times, right? So epochs is a type of repetition, right? Every time repetitively when it runs, it becomes, the loss becomes lesser. And now at this point I'm going to run the, I'm going to plot the data. Look at this, the loss becomes less, right? Train loss and test loss. That means whatever the loss was done in train data and test data, it was very less. And with the help of this epochs, we have done this. Okay. After that, what we are going to do, set the model into evaluation mode, right? Evaluation mode means now with the help of evaluation mode, inference model, it's a inference model and eval mode, right? Model eval, that is evaluation mode. And with the help of this evaluation mode, what we have done, we have extracted the prediction data. Look at this. Let me show you first. Here is, and here. Now with the help of plot dot prediction. Now see here. Now look at this red color. Look at this red color dot. Now the prediction is 100% accurate, very close, not accurate we can say. It is 100% maximum it is accurate, right? Look at this. If I show you this, so those red dots are looking far closer than they were before. Look at this. This was the prediction initially without training the data. It was just a test data. But after that, once we train the data, so how we train the data? First of all, we need two things. One is the mean absolute error, and epochs. We run the epochs. This is called epoch in range, and every time repetitively it runs and it train the data itself, right? It trains the data, and after that it reduces the loss. So that is why we have seen here MAE test loss, that is very less. Look at this. And once we have that, we run the loss between train and test. Now this is less. That means definitely the prediction data will be very close to accurate. That is training data, test data, and prediction. So we this is how the PyTorch workflow runs, right? So in a first look, it might look difficult for you, but I recommend you to watch this video again, and it becomes more clearer to you, right? So, guys, this is how, and in our next video, I will show you something another with a new model. We will see some another model, and we will also see the applications of this PyTorch workflow, right? How it is used, PyTorch is used, and how we extract the data, how we train the model. We will see in our upcoming videos. And those who are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel for the notification of the videos. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching the video.